So another little whatnot haul. In this first package, we get a Chemic card, number 41 out of 75. Nothing too crazy. Doing a voiceover here because the audio was not too great, too much background noise. But in the next order, of course, it's live audio, which is now.
Man, I forgot about all that I got here. But there should be some bangers, to say the least. This is a PSA baggie. Huh. I haven't seen those before, but Neuer, Select Euro 2020, Mezzanine. I just like the design. Then we have an auto of Kareem Konate, which I don't remember buying this. Maybe it's really cheap. Rookie regardless. Pavard, 72 of 199. Benjamin Pavard. So, not too bad. Zidane Sertemir. Maybe this was a lot. I don't know. Had to have been, maybe. Antoine Griezmann and Alvaro Morata. Close authentic memorabilia is not from any specific game or event, unfortunately. Dual swatches, though. It's not numbered either. Huh. Fit card, though. Obviously. 2 patches. In the other bag here, you have a Rodrigo Riquelme. Not from any specific. A Rodrigo. 145. Must be. I ain't this price. I ain't the price yet. But yeah, this is a lot than the Pjanic. Juve. Match worn. 48 of 125. That's actually sick. I admire Pjanic quite a bit. There's gunk in there. That's gross. On seller. So I have one thing in here. Should just be a slab, I'm pretty sure. Got this for a steal. Oh, we got something else too. Oh yeah, Josh Sargent. Numbered to 23. Bit of a weird one there, but 6 out of 23. And a sticker as well. The guy's logo. I like that he does this. But yeah, Josh Sargent. 6 of 23. And then another slab of Musiala. Short print. Nice blue there.